Parr Instrument Company is the worldwide leader in high-pressure laboratory reactors and oxygen bomb calorimeters. Founded by S.W. Parr in 1899 as the Standard Calorimeter Company, our name was later changed to better reflect expansion into pressure vessels and sample preparation equipment for laboratory use. Our full line of products are engineered and manufactured at our headquarters located in Moline, Illinois. Parr USA, Parr GmbH, and our network of dealers and distributors cover the globe. Our experienced technical sales and support team are knowledgeable about the entire line of products we produce, and our company and our equipment hold worldwide certifications. We offer training on the use of your new Parr equipment with sessions available at your site or at Parr USA. Our line of standard batch reactors range in volume from 5 milliliters to 30 liters with temperature ratings up to 600 degrees centigrade and pressure ratings up to 8,500 psi and beyond. We can work with you to modify the temperature and pressure ratings of our standard models to meet your requirements. In addition to our standard configurations, we offer sophisticated stirred reactor systems, multi-reactors that can run in series or parallel, reactors that can be loaded vertically and stirred horizontally, and packed bed and fluidized bed tubular reactor systems. For specifications outside our standard product lines, we use a mass customization approach to design, manufacture, and quickly deliver custom systems that meet your unique research needs. We are the world leader in oxygen bomb calorimeters, offering many models designed to comply with worldwide standards. From our most popular model 6200 isoparabol calorimeter to the fully automatic model 6400 isoparabol calorimeter with its fast test times and quick twist-lock vessel closure, to our affordable model 6050 that you control from your own PC using our standalone software, our calorimeters meet and exceed your research and testing needs. You can contact our customer service team to help identify equipment to meet your system requirements. Parr engineers then create and verify all pressure system designs using 3D solid modeling software. We custom engineer systems to bring them from your concept to reality. All Parr products are handcrafted in the USA using the highest quality materials of construction, producing a safe and high-quality product. Modern tools combined with a hands-on approach ensure strict adherence to all design parameters. In final assembly, skilled, experienced technicians assemble the pieces that make up your unique Parr system. Parr's extensive product line also includes sample preparation equipment, cell disruption apparatus, acid digestion vessels, and shaker hydrogenation apparatus. Contact us and let us build one for you.